going on YouTube? This is Crypto Business, the YouTube channel where we try and make your crypto knowledge not such a mess anymore. A lot of people are taking this run up as an opportunity to get rich super fast. Everybody and their mother is jumping in the crypto space and trying to, make it a business. So I decided to jump in a little while back. I've been involved quite a bit longer than the past, few months, but I have a background in finance, in the finance services industry. I do a lot of stock investing, and that's where my skill set lies. And so I figured I could take that knowledge and bring it over into this space, especially with the volatility in the markets, and kind of play the swings. And that's something me and a few friends have been, constantly chatting about over the past year or so. And I notice that a lot of people are completely uneducated in the space. And so I wanted to come in and make a kind of a learning platform on this YouTube channel and kind of just show what I do, how I make my decisions. And they're not always right. Like, I'm going to make mistakes, I'm just a normal dude, just riding this wave like everybody else. And by no means am I giving any like financial advice or anything, but I do kind of want to give a little more insight into what I'm doing. As you can see here, we're entering in a bit of a pullback right now. Clearly over the past, 24, 48 hours, things have been kind of nuts. The market cap right now sits around 500 billion up here. And this is crazy because yesterday, about 24 hours ago, we were sitting at 640 billion and it just kept rising and rising and rising. And even if we refresh this, we'll see. So it grew a bit. But if you think about that, around 140 billion of value left the market. And to me, that means a good buying opportunity. Maybe not necessarily right now. There's a few things that you have to take into account, but we'll see. So basically, this channel is just going to be about going into all these different coins. I'm not just going to focus on the top guys. I kind of like to dig deeper into the businesses. I like to really know what I'm getting myself into when I invest. So, something like Augur or let's see, what are a couple other ones? Stratus I've looked into, but I'm not just looking at their coins and their market caps and their volumes and their daily change. I'm looking at their underlying business and how does their business work. And a great example of that actually is BitConnect here. A lot of FUD going around the industry about this, and I actually did a deep dive on BitConnect and I wanted to see like what this thing is all about. And we'll get into that on a later video, but I just feel a lot of people, EOS is another one, Stellar, Quantum, I like all these. But I think a lot of people just are completely misinformed and they don't do any research. And that's how you know that something is going on in this space. Like there's a bit of a problem going on where, if my great grandmother is getting involved in the crypto space, then something weird is going on. So that's all stuff we need to take into account. And I want to bring that info to you guys in this channel. So with that, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Make fun of me in the comments, do your thing.